Let's talk Louis. New Louis Vuitton inside out bag. Hey guys. Okay, let's do it. Today, we're doing a little Louis Vuitton loving convo. Let's talk Louis. Let's talk Louis Vuitton. New bag launching this week. One style launching this week, another style's launching next week. What do we think? Do we think it's copying Goyard? Do they think we're copying Goyard again? We're going to talk about it. Thoughts and knots. I feel like a little bit because we know that Louis Vuitton did kind of copy Goyard before. Anyway, that's at least my opinion. Anyway, discussion. So we're talking about Louis Vuitton's new inside out bag. Let's get inside out and talk about it. Let's get in the inside and talk about it. Let's get inside the details and talk about it. And the outside world comparison. You know what I mean? I think these are getting a little silly. Okay, anyway. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic. And today, we are doing a quick Louis Vuitton update / discussion. Louis Vuitton, let's talk Louis, about the Louis Vuitton inside out bag. Their new Neverfull tote they're launching, I believe, this Friday or Saturday, September 20th. So Saturday. I got a little email. So we're going to go over the email. We're going to go over the bag, thoughts, comparisons. It's very similar to a Goyard bag. So we're going to talk about that. What do we think, what we don't think, and how Goyard and Louis Vuitton are kind of rivals, but also similarities and copies and things like that. And I can do a longer in-depth one about that. I know I've done a couple of videos, but we're going to do a little touch on that today. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Keep on watching. Keep on watching. Okay, so Louis. So the email goes as such, which I don't think, I'll try to pull it up right here next to us. But available now, Neverfull leather styles. So there's a photo. I mean, first of all, I love this black tote idea for Louis Vuitton and the Neverfull with the black handles because they always have those tan handles, which is like one of the things that I don't like about it because it gets that patina. And not that it's not bad that it has a patina, it's just so light and I would have loved a black handle one. So I'm loving this black handle and the little bag, the little pouch on the outside, okay? Which it looks like it's detachable. Right, yeah, it is detachable, okay. And then the all black tote, which is, I would love to get the all black Anjou. I actually really want the brown Anjou, the black and Anjou from Goyard, but we'll talk about that in a separate section. So the Neverfull inside out bag available exclusively online before launching in stores on September 20th, but it is available online now. So if you want it, you can pre-order it and go get it. This reversible design offers refined luxury, seamless adaptability, and multiple style options with a detachable pouch. Okay, so they have a black one, a brown one, and it's reversible. So it's a leather tote, reversible with the monogram on the other side, the Louis Vuitton monogram, and in their house brown color, which is the classic for the Neverfull. Okay, and the Neverfull is actually reversible. It's always been reversible, just like the Goyard St. Louis is always reversible. They just, nobody ever reverses it, right? So now they're making it a little more accessible to reversible. And they have one version with the original Louis Vuitton interior, which we'll get to in a sec. So choose the perfect small leather good bag, charm, or textile accessory to complement your bag. Okay, whatever. So if you go down, you see there's the other Neverfull. So normally the Neverfull is canvas on the outside with the LVL monogram, and on the inside is that like those lines in like the maroon or the pink or the red or the beige, and it's like it says Louis Vuitton. So now they're doing 3 versions of this. There's the reversible black and brown one that's all black leather on one side and then Louis Vuitton on the other side, all brown leather on one side and Louis Vuitton on the other side with a detachable pouch. Then they're doing a smaller version that's pink, and then the French website also has a black one, but I think the US website only has the pink one. And it's all pink on one side and then Louis Vuitton monogram on the inside. And then you reverse it, Louis Vuitton monogram, and then the pink accents of the handles, which is kind of cool. I think really popular. But it also comes with a strap. So it's a little more like it's the BB style, inside out BB. So it's a smaller one, right? Price point wise, this is a little bit more than the Goyard Anjou. And we're comparing this to the Anjou. This is why I'm saying it, because we're comparing this. I think it's kind of like a little bit of a copy of the Anjou. And so, backstory, Goyard's Neverfull, I don't know if you guys know, but Goyard made the Neverfull in 2008. They launched it to combat Goyard St. Louis because Goyard St. Louis was eating up part of the market and like getting all these sales that Louis Vuitton didn't have something like the like the St. Louis. So they launched the Neverfull in 2008, if I believe, and it was wildly successful and popular, and it got so popular, and everyone has a Neverfull. It's one of the most common seen bags, one of the most faked bags too, but it's like one of the most popular bags. A lot of people's first designer tote. It's a great bag, very has pros and cons. That bag launched, did really well. It was to combat the Goyard St. Louis. It is reversible, just like the Goyard St. Louis is reversible. Nobody ever reverses it, right? It's canvas on one side with linen cotton on the other side. Same thing as Goyard. Canvas, painted canvas on one side with that soft linen cotton on the other side. You can reverse it. So that was, I think, kind of a copy, right? So take that market because Goyard was doing. And now Goyard's just as popular and just as recognizable as Louis Vuitton. Not maybe as, but it's become a lot more popular, right? So in 2016, Goyard released the Anjou, which was the reversible Goyard tote that has all Goyard canvas on one side and then leather all on the inside, and you can reverse it, and it's in all 11 colors. So like a black one would be an all black bag with the little Goyard St. Louis in red, and you reverse it, it's the Goyardine in black. And then the brown one's all brown, Goyard St. Louis, reverse it, it's all Goyardine black canvas, because that's what the tan one does. But like the red one actually has silver white writing. Everyone else has red writing, and it's reversible. So yellow leather bag, yellow Goyardine on the other side. Red leather bag, red Goyardine, yellow, blue, navy, so on and so forth. This one, and they released it in 3 sizes: the PM, the GM, and then the mini, right? The mini Anjou. So this nano BB, going back to the nano, I think is almost Anjou size, but it's a little bit more price point wise. The Anjou's, I think, $24.20. This is $27.20. And then the little strap, it has a little strap, which also you can attach. And then also it has pouches detachable, and this looks really cute here because you could just make that its own little bag. So it's really like a little separate bag in one, which I didn't even think about. That's really great. But it's, so on their website right now, it only comes in pink. Oh, it comes in both pink and black. So you can get a black little one too with its reversible LV monogram, and then a little pouch with black and white, and then the black and I think this one's really good, and the black is attachable too. That would be the one I think that I would get. Size-wise, that's kind of small. Let's see how small it is. 9 by 5 by 3. It's a very small bag. It's a tiny bag. So they have that one. Then they have the third one that they've designed is the Neverfull, the original Neverfull. So the Neverfull with Goyardine canvas, the Neverfull with all LV canvas, and then it's reversible. Other side is like it would be like a regular bag, which I don't know how much different this is than a regular Louis Vuitton bag, because the Louis Vuitton bag always come like that. The only thing different with these ones is now the strap is there. But if you look at a regular LV bag, and that's coming in red, yellow, pink, and then this like beige color with like limited edition thing, they're all, and that's the GM size. I think the other ones are all, let's see, MMs, right? Okay. So, interesting. But let's just look up a regular Neverfull. The regular Neverfull MM is the same thing. It has the same interior and a strap, and it's reversible. So I don't know how much different this inside out one. That third one, inside out, the only difference is that you have a strap. I think, because you could reverse this bag and it looks exactly the same, right? Am I crazy? No, I'm not. They're just showing the outside first. So that one, I don't even think is that new of a concept. It's literally just adding a strap and 2 hooks, which the Neverfull doesn't have. The regular Neverfull doesn't have a hook for straps. But other than that, the Neverfull has everything else. It has the pouch, has the thing. It's a different pouch. It's the LV pouch versus this like canvasy pouch, which you can also wear as its own bag, it looks like, because you could take the strap off and add it on to the little pouch. Oh no, this one doesn't have a pouch. It's just inside out with a strap. Never mind, just inside out with a strap. Okay, so it's literally the same bag. So there's 3 versions: the leather reversible, the BB with the pouch in leather reversible, and then with a strap. So there's the leather reversible, no strap, leather reversible with strap, and smaller size, and then the regular one with a strap. So those are the 3 versions. Now, I personally think, okay, the strap does make it a little different than Goyard, but I personally think that the first one is literally a copy of Goyard. It's literally the same thing that Goyard did. And there are other people that are saying that there's other bags that have done this. Gucci has done this. MCM has done this. Other brands that have done this for a while. Fine. But Goyard and Louis Vuitton are kind of in their own league when it comes to totes and being the it tote and the popular tote. I feel like, you know, those are the most recognizable, bigger totes, the totes that we talk about, the totes that most people get, the most bought after, sought after, resold on the secondary market, whatever, those totes. So that's why we're talking about those two, I think. And like I said, that feels like they copied it again after they copied it the first time with the St. Louis tote, right? But I do, now, that all aside, I do think this is a very cool bag. I think that I like the BB version with the detachable pouch and the strap. The regular version that's reversible is very cool. And like, you can see they allow you to like go and swipe it. But it's just, I don't know, it just feels like the Anjou, right? I don't feel like I'd want this over the Anjou. I think I'd want the Anjou. I think the BB with the strap, if they would have made the MM with the strap, like that one, the Goyard, the third one with the canvas on the inside with the strap and the pocket, like the second one has like a bigger size, that would be great. I would like want an amalgamation of all three. Like there's things I like about each of them, and I don't want, but I want one that has all of them. Like that BB is too small. If they made a bigger BB with the black and the pouch that it comes with and the strap and everything like that, that's the one I would get. But out of these three, I don't think I get it, but I do think they are really cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like this bag? Do you want this bag? Do you think you can get it? It's available now. I feel like there's more to this discussion, but I just wanted to do a quick video and talk about it because it's coming out, so I can do another video, follow up on it, talk more in depth about it. But I think that this is just, I wanted to talk about real quick. It is cool, but like I said, the first one feels like the Anjou, and it's cool and exciting. And I think it's definitely a bag worth getting, especially the all black one, because the black handles I feel are very cool, and that's a little different and unique than Louis Vuitton's had, and it makes it look very cool and very classy and classy and elegant, and a little understated if you flip it the other way. It does say Louis Vuitton and very small on the bottom, but then the reverse side is very loud. And the other one, the reverse of the regular Neverfull with the canvas on the side, is bright and cool and fun for like a summery bag, and then you reverse it the other way. But it is just a Neverfull. It's basically a Neverfull, the strap, where the outside is where it's inside out. It starts inside out, and I think that's why it's called inside out. And that was the first one they went off of, just adding the strap. And the BB, I think, is the cool, especially in the pink, is the coolest little one because it's like a small little, like it's a little Anjou to tote, like the little one, but with a strap. So kudos. Actually, I'm literally talking about this right now. I'm liking it a little bit more. So maybe I do like this. I don't think I'm gonna get it though. I've never been a very big like getting Louis Vuitton person, as you guys know. And I'm literally, I think I'm like on a bag hiatus right now because I'm like on a bag hold for a while. And I really only want to buy more Hermes bags, which we could talk about in a separate video. But I feel like I need to stop for a second. Anyway. This is nice. If I were going to get one, it would be the BB. I wish it came in a bigger size. Okay? What do you guys think? Would you get it? Are you going to get it? What do you want? Which one do you want? Let me know in the comments below. If you've already seen it in person, if you've already gone to the store, I don't think that it's actually in the store yet because these are online. But if you have, let me know in the comments below. How do you like it? How do you feel it? What does the leather feel like? Is it a soft, smooth leather? Also, a lot of these places are doing all this soft, smooth leather now. Like Bottega is doing a reversible Andiamo with soft, smooth leather. Chanel did some soft leather stuff. Goyard's is soft leather. This Louis Vuitton is soft leather. Like maybe soft leather, like soft, smooth, grainyless leather is a thing now. Hermes, like that makes me feel of Swift and Box. But those are so, I mean, those are delicate and so much more. Then they're more expensive. Okay, where am I going to that? Anyway, I feel like chattering so much. Okay, that's all I got. I think that's all I got. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'll play the video here. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Be sure to friend and family. Here to share the analysis. I know your time is valuable, and I especially appreciate you spending time here with me. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one, baby. Bye.